Hi, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade, and today the kids have asked me to build them an interchangeable picture frame for their mum. They produce so much artwork and my wife Juanita wants to display it and then easily swap it out when they make the next masterpiece. For our frame, I'm using pine that I've recycled from another job. The first step is to cut the wood. I'm sizing these as close as I can to 40 by 40 millimeters, and I'll prep extra ones just in case I need them. Then I run them through the thicknesser to dress them down to the exact dimensions. If you don't have these machines at home, you can just buy the exact size. I want to put a rebate on these frames of 10 millimeters per frame, so that's my next step. This is the part where it's handy to have extra pieces in case they don't come out perfect. Now I'm ready to fine tune my measurements. I want to cut 2 pieces at 390 millimeters, then 2 pieces at 270 millimeters. These measurements are from short point to short point. Once you've got your pieces, it's time to assemble. I'm using a glue with an activator for an instant hold. And I'm not involving the kids just yet because that would just be trouble. Give it a good sand and then a dust off, then wipe it with a damp rag. Today I'm using Resene Aquaclear waterborne urethane varnish, and I'm adding Resene Colour Enhance to it because I want the wood to go whiter. I want it to spread consistently, so I'm using even strokes so I don't leave thick white marks. Once that's dry, give it a light sand and a dust off, then you'll apply 2 more coats with the right dry time in between. But this time it's just Resene Aquaclear waterborne urethane varnish without Resene Colour Enhance. While that dries, I'll cut the ply for the back of the frame. First I'm doing a square cut, then for the last cut I'm cutting it to length with a 45-degree back angle. And the final step is cutting the acrylic. It needs to be 310 by 430 millimeters. Give the edges a sand to get them nice and smooth, then partially remove the plastic coating. Now I cut 2 45-degree cleats for the top of the frame and glue those in. That's going to work nicely. Place your acrylic inside the frame and attach your glazier points. The back of my art frame will be attached to the wall first, and then the frame itself can be easily removed and updated with the new artworks.